I beg my brothers and sisters, please minimize the way una dey consume seasoning cubes. If na know say na no go fit stop am completely, then minimize it. I no talk say make una no chop am o, I no talk say make una no use am cook o, but please reduce the way una dey use and dey cook food. E dey pain me for some people the way they dey pack maggi, orishi maggi, put for inside soup, inside stew. Some people even come worst, they go dey pack and put for inside beans. They go tell you say if they no add maggi, that beans no go sweet. That is to tell you say some people are just so addicted with these seasoning cubes. If you know you cannot stop them completely, then minimize it. Like I said before, I know say make una no use maggi o, but just reduce it. Some people dey go dey pack 10 cubes of maggi for just small pepper. Wetin happen, Aunty Cynthia? Now, if you know say you wan enhance the taste of your soups, your stew, please watch this video till the very end. You see this powder when you dey see, so you fit use and cook any food. You fit use and cook rice, you fit use and cook stew, spaghetti, beans, you fit use and cook jollof rice, any food of your choice. If you know say you like maggi, this is the best and perfect one for you to use. And you know one thing about this seasoning powder, it is so healthy. Not only is it going to enhance the taste of your stew, it go add flavor, it go add aroma, and the benefits, the health benefits of each of these seeds, no be for here. All you need to do now to carry the different seed toaster for inside pot like this. You need your oregano, you need your mustard seeds, the brown one. No, you need your cinnamon sticks, you need your fenugreek, you need your dehydrated onions. For those of you when be saying I don't know how to do dehydrated onions and you want make I teach you now, please just let me know in the comment section. I will drop a video of how to make your own dehydrated onions without stress. No go waste money buying for outside. So you need your control onions. These are the seeds you need. You blend them together, then store them in an airtight container. Then you are good to go. Even if you want to add seasoning cubes, you go just know say na just one. Then add this one, pack and put for inside the food, and you are safe. Hey, my dear brothers and sisters, health is wealth. So these are the pictures of all the seeds that you need to blend together. So you no go dey confused. You go dey easy for you if you want to buy am for market. Now, my dear brothers and sisters, don't reach where we dey go. If na know say na watch this video reach this point, please follow me in all my social media platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and run go YouTube. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Effects Always TV. Now still the same name. This is the least you can do to appreciate me. I care for you because I don't know say seasoning cubes they damage eye. So please follow me. I love you guys. Mwah.